Headed out to Lake Lavon this morning. I'm already regretting it. I'm already even halfway there. 10:30 in the morning. Got me 2 dozen minnows, 2 bags of ice. I thought this was where that creek was, but I guess not. All right, bye-bye. Here we go. 10:32. 2 minutes down there. Oh, no, they run over this too. But there's some crappie over here. Nice one. All right, bye-bye. Remember that curve with Mama and still she went and did a 180? Oh, shit. All right. Hey, look at all the board dogs out there, dude. Hey. Dude, I just went through a residential freaking lost. Residential neighborhood, dude. I got lost and look where I came out at, dude. Freaking Papa's brother's old house back there, all right, man. It was gone, dude. It's all new neighborhoods and shit back there, man. What a trip, man. I'm freaking out, dude. Later. Dude, I found it, dude. Man, things has changed, dude. Alright, I gotta go, man. Let's see if I can get in here. Well, that cost me $9 to get in here. I couldn't go to the left. RV park now. Took me almost an hour to get over here. I don't think I'm making this trip again. I'll stick to Lake Lavon. Beautiful day. Got the clouds. Finally got my boat down there. I just talked to a fishing guy, dude. He told me stay away from them board docks, dude. There ain't no crappie over there no more. He said go over here by the dam and there's a fence. Put my side imaging out. He's got some brush piles out there. He said he'd put me on some crappie over there. So we're headed over there. All right, later. got a marina in there now. We're gonna go fishing. I went over there on the other side of the lake, man. That dude told me there was a fence over there by that boat ramp. I didn't see no fence, so I said I'm gonna come back over here. We're going in. Here's the board docks out here, dude. So we're gonna go test them out. That's Colin Porter back there. Had a rubber band shot out right there. They told me there ain't no crappie on this side of the lake. We're gonna see. I came over here to come over here. I didn't come out all the way over here to go over there. All right, later. Collins Park. We're gonna hit all these trees today. Hope we don't hit a stop. I had to get my turbo motor off on trolling. We're gonna hit every tree out here. Got some minnows up there too. He said there ain't no fish over here. He said Colvin ran them all off. All right, man, I'm gonna do some fishing, man. Let's go catch some crappie, man. Where you at, Rodney? Come on, bro. We probably tied up to this tree right here. Looks familiar. I think that's where Dad used to hang the lantern at. All right, man. Later, dude. Well, I guess that fishing guide was right, because there was all kinds of boats over there where I was at on the other side of the lake where he told me to go, and I can't get a freaking bite over here, dude. I done tried all those board docks right there. There's Collins Park. There's that other cove he's going to. Seen some gar over here. I don't think I'm gonna go back there anymore. I'm gonna go find me some brush piles over there by the dam, I guess. Where I went by there and it was that cove where that air raft that I sunk in. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and troll on out of here. I got a minnow right there. Can't get a bite on that. I don't know, dude. I guess go back over there, man. I was just over there too. I couldn't find that fence he was talking about. That's all right. There's a lot of boats over there. There ain't a single boat over here. He said there ain't no fish over here no more. All right, later, dude. Back over here on the side I sunk in my raft. That's that park right there, dude. I think the cove was right around that other side of that bend right there. Dude, I caught a little yellow bass. Little one on the minnow. Missed a little bass. Big old bass jump out here, dude. I threw my spinner bait. Can't catch one of them either. I think I'm fixing to give it up, but I don't think I'm coming back out here no more. I need to stick at Lake Hubbard. I was using this side imaging, man. I'm starting to figure it out, dude. See right here, you go out 60 feet. There's my boat. It's 20, 40, 60. So I can see trees over here and shadows. And then it starts right there. This is the pass. But I've been seeing brush piles right here. And I look down here and I say, well, that's 40 feet out that way. So I turn 40 feet, go out 40 feet that way, and then I can see the tree on my brush pile on my downscope. So I'm out 60 feet. I can go out more, but 60 feet's enough for me. Starting to figure that out, so that's awesome. Can't figure out how to catch fish, but I at least caught one. I gotta go way back over there. I've done been over here once, and then I went over there, the boar dogs. Nothing, dude. Saw an eagle. I might go try around this corner, and I'm gonna call it quits. I got that brisket in the refrigerator. I think I'm gonna make that brisket, heat it up. All right, man. There's the dam right there. Yeah, this is that part east of where I sunk. There's a power plant over there. I don't remember how close we was to the power plant. Maybe it's that cove right there that we was in there. I don't know. So much stuff's changed out here, dude. Except me. I don't know how to fish no more. All right, bye-bye. Till next year. Bye-bye, Wendy.